In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change OBS Studio scene transitions. Whether you're a beginner or have been streaming for a while, mastering scene transitions can really enhance the quality of your streams. So, let's dive right in and explore how to make these changes seamlessly. To begin, you need to open up your OBS Studio app. Make sure you have the latest version installed to get the most out of the features we're discussing today. Once you have OBS Studio open, you'll be greeted by the main interface. From here, we're going to focus on changing the transitions used between your different scenes. Take a close look at the bottom right of your screen, and you'll notice an option labeled Scene Transitions. Go ahead and click on that. This is where the magic happens. Here, you have access to manage your transitions effectively. Upon clicking the Scene Transitions button, you'll see various built-in options available for you. These options are designed to give your stream a professional touch, making transitions smoother and visually appealing. OBS offers a good selection of transitions, so you don't need to be a tech wizard to start making your streams look more polished. Next, you'll want to select a transition. Some popular choices you might consider are fade or cut, as they are simple yet effective. The fade transition gives a smooth dissolve effect between your scenes, while the cut transition snaps immediately from one scene to another. This is perfect if you want quick changes without any visual effects. Simply clicking on either fade or cut will apply it as the default transition for your scenes. Now, let's talk about customizing these transitions for even better results. After selecting your preferred transition, you can adjust the duration of the transition effect. This is a handy feature that OBS provides, allowing you to determine how quickly or slowly the transition occurs. At the bottom of the scene transition section, there's a box labeled Duration. You can manually enter the time in milliseconds or use the arrow keys to increase or decrease the time. Remember, a shorter duration will result in a faster transition, whereas increasing the duration will create a more drawn-out effect. And there you have it. You've successfully changed your scene transitions in OBS Studio. By experimenting with different transitions and durations, you can create a truly unique broadcast experience that suits your style. These small adjustments can make a significant difference, keeping your viewers engaged and enhancing the overall production quality of your streams. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching, and happy streaming!